Alright. Publish. And done. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing Blood Escape 2 on Roblox, the event. Alright, let's do this. Pretty sure you should show the badge. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So, collect the hidden treasure found in a mysterious room on Forgotten Tom's. No, okay. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, here we go. Alright, I'm in. So, welcome. Mazes come in all shapes and sizes. They can be made of corn, mirrors, or hedges. They can take you down winding pathways, crude turns, and twisting trails that lead to dead ends, or if you're lucky, a way out. But the only thing they all have in common is the feeling of excitement, uncertainty, and the urgent need to escape. We'll be able to overcome the... Wait, is this the same thing? Yeah. Nope. Screw it, I ain't reading that whole thing. Oh, okay. Forget it, so except we're gonna do this, guys. So that's all we have to do. Alright. Here we go! Blue Steel Jedi! I'm the one, guys. I name it up. So I'm called Blue Steel Jedi. I just made it up. So now what? Are we waiting for another one? Oh, okay. I think we're waiting for one player. Oh, So it says like normal, right? So we gotta go to normal. Wait, what? Alright, easy. Alright, I'm gonna pause it, guys, because I don't think it's the right one. Okay, looks like all of us we finished it. Have we? There you go. So difficulty increased to normal. Alright, so I think that's where we have to be. Alright, normal, I guess. Alright, we gotta do this. I'll get that one. Oh, what the f... Okay, I'm like feeling the team right now. There we go, I got it. Okay, there you go. We're not filled the team. Ah, there it is. Oh crap! Oh, good thing you don't die instantly. I thought first you were gonna die instantly, just like in the original game called Blood Escape, the original one. So what are we supposed to do? Run! No! No! Shoot! Man, it's my first time playing this game. That was hard. Dang it. So we gotta try again. Crud. Alright, we're back. So it says normal. Okay. I think he's gonna collect it, so let's wait for him then. There you go. So now what? Oh. Okay, oops. Oh, okay. That's just so... Oh, man. It's kind of tough. I don't know why. For me, it is. You know, it's actually my first time playing this game. Like, Blood Escape 2. I only played the original one. Man, this is like totally new for me. Okay, we're back on easy, so I'm gonna pause it for a little bit. Okay, we're on normal. Alright, let's do this. Which one do I go to? Like over here or... Okay. Over here again, then, I guess. Okay, here we go. So I can get the other one right there. Got it! Shoot! It's closing in! Gotta hurry! Ah! No! Come on, we can make it. Gotta get the prize. Come on, come on. Alright, I think just 4 of us. Yeah, 4 of us. What the? The head though. Oh shoot, just 3 of us then. So what now? Here's a storm. Typically remains at normal. So how you supposed? So am I actually the right one? So I don't know. I got no freaking clue. Whoa! What the? Ah! The heck? Good thing you don't die instantly. Just like in the original one, like I said earlier. Oh, what the? Okay. I'm getting confused right now. Okay, this is where we go then. Come on, come on. I don't know if this is the item round, but we'll see. Okay, I guess I'll get it then. There we go. Oh man, that was a close one. That could have pushed me up by now. Holy crap. Alright, come on, come on. Touch that one. There we go. Okay, so that's how you descend. Okay. I got it. So you have to press shift. Oh crap. Wait, are we doing the right one at all? Because I don't know. If I'm not, I might just make like do like a game review if this is not the event. We'll see. Looks like that guy's gonna get it. Alright. It's like an air tank. Nice. So I guess I can actually go underwater for a little bit longer. Alright, so we have to go here then. Oh, there's one over there. I got it. Alright, guess we have to go. Come on, come on. I don't know if this is the one, but we'll see. Still waiting. Alright. Typically increased to insane. This is not the event round right now. Wait, is this the one? No. Ah! Crud. So how are you supposed to be in, Oh, okay. So no, that's not the one. Okay guys, well I gotta wait until the round is there. So it's gonna be a game review. So anyways, peace out guys. I'll see you soon.